Top 5 Best Robot Vacuum Cleaners Mop in 2024. Hi guys! Are you looking for the best robot vacuum cleaners mop? If you received a new robot vacuum cleaners mop, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best robot vacuum cleaners mops on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading reviews, and orders. Number 1. The 2024 Xiaomi MIJIA Omni 1SB116 Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a comprehensive home cleaning solution with self-cleaning, mopping, and automatic dirt disposal. Its powerful vacuuming system collects dirt into a 2,500 milliliters dust bag, while its mop feature keeps floors spotless. The compact robot measures 35 by 35 by 10.4 centimeters and has a self-cleaning dock, making it ideal for busy households. Number 2. The ABIR X6 Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful vacuum cleaner with advanced visual navigation, 6,000 PA suction, and a 360 milliliters electric water tank. It features a triple navigation system, virtual barriers, and selective zone cleaning. Equipped with a HEPA filter, it tackles carpets and hard floors effortlessly. Its Li-ion battery provides 2 hours of operation and is compatible with Alexa, Google Home, and Yandex Alice. Number 3. The Xiaomi 5-in-1 Wireless Smart Sweeping Robot is a versatile home cleaning tool that includes sweeping, vacuuming, mopping, and humidifying. It operates quietly and is suitable for spaces over 150 square meters. Its double motor design and 1,500 pascals to 1999 pascals suction power effectively clean dust and debris. Equipped with a 220 milliliters water tank, it provides up to 120 minutes of cleaning. Number 4. The 2024 Xiaomi MIJIA M30 Pro Omni Infinite Robot MOP Vacuum is a powerful, advanced cleaning tool with AI recognition, automatic stain detection, and a 950W motor. It features a 4L clean and sewage water tank, a 5,200 mAh battery, and 3 cleaning modes. Equipped with HEPA filtration, hot air drying, and hot water cleaning, it offers an all-in-one solution for home dirt disposal and floor care. Number 5. The Plus 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum Mop by XMSJ is a comprehensive cleaning solution that uses sonic mopping and matrix clean technology for thorough floor care. It features home mapping, CleanEdg, HEPA filter, and Bagless self-empty base for efficient dust collection. This robotic cleaner combines vacuuming and mopping functions for a complete home cleaning solution, ensuring a spotless home with minimal effort.